Now, who would ever have thought that beating somebody black and blue with a stick could actually heal serious body pain? Well, people from doctors to sports stars are swearing by the treatment that's dished out by Adelaide Kung Fu master Stephen Tiong. He's one of only two in the world skilled in this ancient Chinese healing technique.
Well, he literally beats people black and blue using a single bamboo stick. Adelaide's miracle healer Stephen Tiong has cured neck, back and knee pain for many South Aussies, including some of our biggest sports stars.
He says he can beat you back to health. Stars are queuing up for an unusual health treatment that involves being beaten with bamboo sticks. Some A-League soccer players have already been whacked into shape by a man from Adelaide who claims to be one of only two bamboo beaters.
Now, and Adelaide United has turned to a bamboo stick to help speed up recovery from injury. An alternative Chinese doctor has been helping some Reds players with their rehabilitation.
Beaten black and blue. This isn't your average visit to the doctor. Stephen Tiong claims to be one of only two people in the world trained in this ancient Chinese form of muscle detox. His bamboo sticks are now being put to use on the soccer pitch. Adelaide United's owner says the treatment worked wonders on him. Now he's asked the bamboo man to beat the injuries out of his players.
Nick was so impressed with the results that he asked Steve to treat injured stars of his soccer team Adelaide United, like defender Angelo Costanzo, who was facing a career-ending knee injury earlier in the season.
United has revealed a rehabilitation technique of a different kind.
Out comes this stick. I thought, here we go.
Lucas Pantelis among a group of players who visit Stephen Tiong, who uses a simple bamboo stick claiming to beat out toxins that cause muscle soreness.
You've been bashed. That's what it feels like. I'll tell you, the next two or three days after, you're black.
Andrew Montesi, National 9 News.
When you have a tight muscle or a strained muscle, the muscle is full of toxin. Now, to make sure that the muscle can be clean and healthy, you had to break down all the toxin. Once the toxin is broken down, your body actually heals itself. I do not heal.
He taps the skin hundreds of times to bring those toxins from the muscle tissue to the surface.
Now, this spot here, if you watch carefully, these are all the toxin coming out from the muscle.
Then all that nasty stuff is massaged and cleaned out, and the body begins healing itself.
Neck, your shoulder, your arms, your tennis elbow, your wrist, your hip, your knee, your ankle, everything that related to muscular problems I can fix. I treated many hamstring problems.
How many sessions would it take?
3 sessions.
Players say it works.
didn't happen straight away, but I found that the next, weeks leading up to, or after that, I found that I had more flexibility in my
Stephen's a last resort, used with success by footy clubs like Woodville West Torrens and Norwood. He's rescued the career of Adelaide United soccer star Angelo Costanzo.
Murray against the keeper, goes past Bajic, and Damien Murray once again.
And Australian soccer's most prolific goal scorer, Damien Murray, kept adding to his tally this year after Stephen fixed a thigh strain.
Look, it worked well. I mean, loosened off quite nicely, and since then I haven't really had any problems.
Is it true he gave a bit of stick to Crows skipper Mark Rasciuto's bad back?
Crows fans have a lot to thank you for, haven't they?
Encounter, United had their chances. None better than this superb strike from Diego.
What a strike from the Brazilian!
I had a hamstring tear and supposed to be out for 2 or 3 weeks, and I saw him, I believe, on a Sunday morning. Got all bruised up, but I think it was worth the effort because I was back playing within 3 or 4 days.
In the house of bamboo.